Okay, everybody, this video here will hopefully walk you through how to access our live stream if you're not using Facebook. Um, Trying to get the live streams to go through the website is kind of like the old game at the arcades, whack-a-mole. Once we get it figured out, YouTube or Facebook or Restream or somebody will change permissions and change the way you have to do it. And it's just been a real struggle, but hopefully this way will be the simplest way for you to do it. And it's just a couple of clicks away. So if you'll follow along, it should make it real self-explanatory. So what we're going to do is just go to our calhounfbc.org Facebook page or website. This is the website that you see when you come each and every time, just calhounfbc.org. There's a big button here that says click here for live stream Sunday at 11. And I'm going to walk you through this, and it's really simple. You do what it says. You click the button that says click here for live stream Sunday at 11 a.m. And it's going to take you to our YouTube page. And on this far left right here on Sunday morning starting at 11, it's going to say live. There'll be a little red live logo on that, and that's to indicate that that particular video is live. Now right now obviously it's Monday afternoon, we're not streaming live, but all you would do is just click the video that says live, and then there it is, and you'll be able to watch it. Okay, so again, I'm going to walk you through this one more time to make it easy for all of us. So you go to calhounfbc.org. This is our home page. Beautiful church we've had redone here in the last few years. Click on live stream. It's going to land you right here. And again, right over here to the left, you're going to have a video, and on that video it's going to say live. Now don't go on this at 10 o'clock Sunday morning and don't see the live and then be upset that you can't find the video, because it won't be live. We start the video just a few minutes before 11, so normally 10 minutes or so. But just it'll say live, click on it, and you'll be watching the live broadcast just like we are if we're sitting in the sanctuary. So if you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out, but hopefully that will take care of you, and you'll be able to see us live until we can get back to in-person worship with the sanctuary packed, which we're looking forward to down the road. But we love you guys, and we thank you guys for wanting to watch live.